We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Pots, unlock poison jam, noise tanks, love shockers and goji rakaku. Starting from the beginning of the story, when you have unlocked all of these, complete the Monster of Kogan level before Benton Boogie. After this, complete Chapter 1 and 2. In Chapter 3 a noise tank will appear. Guide, unlocking all characters, Steam community.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.